Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys all security setting in vivo phone. Guys, I will tell you one by one, step by step. In this video guys, I will show you how can you set swipe lock setting in vivo phone. Guys, you want to on the swipe lock setting in vivo phone, so you can on in this video guys, I will show you how to on swipe lock setting. So I first of all open your phone setting to set swipe lock. Then guys click on security. There is security setting, guys, tap here. Guys scroll and guys click on screen lock. Then guys click on swipe. So it will set automatic as screen lock swipe. So as now you can see swipe lock setting. So I think friends, you have understood how to set swipe lock in vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.